Hello students, Standard 8 in Maths Chapter 11 Mensuration is going on, in which we started exercise 11.3 and question 1 to 4 are completed. So now let's start question number 5, in which Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of cuboidal hole with length, breadth and height are given. So for cuboidal wall, the length is given as 15 meter, breadth B is given by 10 meter and height H is given as 7 meter. Now we have to paint the walls and ceiling. It means that first we have to find the area of 4 walls, then we have to find the area of the ceiling and we have to add them. So now area of 4 walls, actually the area of 4 walls is same as the lateral surface area of the cuboid, and that is 2h into bracket L plus B. 2 into 7, 15 plus 10, that is 2 into 7 into 25. So that is 350 meters square. Now we have to paint the ceiling also. So we have to find the area of ceiling as well. So area of ceiling, there will be only the length multiplied by breadth because it is a rectangular shape. Length is 15 meter, breadth is 10 meters, so it is 150 meters square. So now total area for painting will be the sum of this, means area of 4 walls plus area of ceiling, because both of them are to be painted. So now is equal to 350 meters square plus 150 meters square. So total is 500 meters square. So 500 meters square area is to be painted. Here the question is not finished, but what is that? Each can of paint 100 meters square of area is painted. So 100 meters square area can be painted from 1 can of paint. Therefore, number of cans required is equal to 500 meters square upon 100 meters square. So that are 5 cans. So therefore 5 cans of paint are required. So we have to find the area of 4 walls plus area of ceiling, and from 100 meter square one can. So we have 500 meter square. So we need 5 such cans to paint this. So now the sixth question. Here in the sixth question, the two figures are given. We have to describe that how they are alike and how they are different. Means what is similarity in it and what is difference in them. You can see that one is similarity is that their height of both the figures are same. So we can say that only one thing is the height of both figures are same. In this way, they are alike. And they are different in shapes. One is cylinder, while the other is a cube. Other is a cube. Now we have to find the answer that which box has a larger surface area. So we have to find surface areas of both of them, means cylinder also and the cube also. So first one for cylinder. Here the base is circular and its diameter is given. So diameter of base D is given as 7 meter. So first of all we have to find the radius, and we know that radius is half of the diameter. So radius R is equal to D upon 2, that is 7 upon 2 meters. So first we will find the TSA of cylinder. Therefore TSA of cylindrical box. So we know that we wrote down the formula, that is 2 pi r into bracket r plus h. Total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r. So pi's value is 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into bracket. In place of 7 upon 2 you can write down 3.5 also. So 3.5 plus h is also 7. Here h is also 7. Height. Both are 7 meter given. Here 7 cancel, 2 cancel. That is 22 into 7 plus 3.5 is 10.5. So now 105 multiplied by 22. So now 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2. So 2310, but there is a point, so that is 231 meters square. That is the area of our cylindrical box. Now, second thing is the cube. For a cube, length of side, that is L, is 7 meter, and therefore TSA of cube box 6L square, 6 into 7 into 7, 7 sevens are 49 multiplied by 6, 154 meters square. So here, what is find? Which box has larger surface area? So you can see that here we can see that the cylindrical box has larger surface area. So by comparison we can see that when we find out the TSA, total surface area of both of them, we found that cylinder has more surface area. So we can write down like that, that cylindrical box has larger surface area. Now question 7 is very simple, in which the radius of the cylindrical tank and the height is also given, and how much sheet of metal is required. It is a closed cylindrical. It means that we have to find the TSA of the cylindrical tank. So it is very simple. So you can do it. Now question number 8, in which the lateral surface area of hollow cylinder is given as how much? 4224 centimeters square, and then it is cut along the height. It is cut along the height and formed a rectangular sheet with rectangular sheet of width, width, width. What is width? Is given as the 33 centimeter. And what we have to find? Perimeter of the rectangular sheet. Find perimeter of rectangular sheet. So now here LSA of cylinder is given, means the curved surface area, that is 4224 centimeters square, and formula is 2 pi RH is 4224. Now you can see that if the cylinder is cut from its height, then it's open, then what will happen? The perimeter of the base will become the width, and the height will become the length of the rectangular sheet. When we cut it along its height, then the circumference of base will become the width of the rectangular sheet formed, and height of the cylinder will become the length of the rectangle. So now it is cut along the height and formed a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeter. So now here 2 pi r is 33, and therefore here we are given that 2 pi RH is 4224, and therefore in the place of 2 pi r we can put 33 into h is 4224. So h is equal to 4224 divided by 33. We can divide it maybe with the 11, because 11 3s are 33, so we can try. 11 3s are 33, 11 8s are 88, and 11 4s are. So 384 and 11 3s are. So the h is equal to, now 384 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are, so 128 centimeter. So now length of rectangular sheet is equal to 128 centimeter, and breadth of rectangular sheet is given where? How much? That was 33 centimeter. Therefore perimeter, we know that perimeter of rectangle is 2 into bracket length plus breadth. So 2 into bracket 128 plus 33 centimeter. So 2 multiplied by 161, that is 322 centimeter. So the perimeter of the rectangle formed is 322 centimeter. So here we are going to finish this session. Will be followed by PDF, and if any confusion, there is comment section for you. Thank you very much.